Hello friends, Jeffrey here from Prestige Worldwide, and today I will be doing a short DevOps tutorial on the tools we are using for our Project 2 application. So, as you can see here, the three tools we'll be using and discussing today are GitHub, Travis CI, and Docker Hub. We'll be going through a step-by-step process on how to run Travis and containerize the algorithm that has been pushed to the Git repo. So as you can see here, I've gone to the Docker file, and from a short explanation of the file itself, you can see that this is a custom file that will be uploaded by the user to tell Docker how to containerize your algorithm into an image. As you can see here, the language will be Python version 3. The maintainer is Prestige Worldwide. The environment is the Python buffered 1. In the Docker file, we have 3 commands that tell where to add the app data to the container image. The run command tells the Docker image what the language is dependent on. For our algorithm, it is pillow. Here, the command line is telling the Docker image where in the image it is supposed to run the Python algorithm. So now we will be looking at the Travis YAML file for our continuous integration aspect of our project. The Travis YAML file is split up into 5 main components: the services, scripts, after script, before deploy, and finally deploy. So just to note from the top, in the language section of the YAML file is where us as a company can specify what languages we are going to allow. So for example, it's set to Python. So only users that have Python algorithms can upload to our Git repo. Anything else will be considered a fail according to Travis. Under services is where we can specify that Travis will automatically run Docker. In the script section of the YAML file, right here, is where we run our 2 Docker bash commands automatically. The Docker build command tells Travis to build the image right here and specify the location of what branch and what is the name of the Docker hub that it will be built under. And then the Docker run command specifies which Docker hub account and what branch the image will be run in. The after scripts section tells Docker what images are available to be run. Now in the before deploy is where Docker logs in to the Docker account so the image can be pushed to our Docker repo. So here in the deploy section, we tell Docker to push the image that was just recently created to the specified Docker repo and its specified branch. And we will name this image latest. And as you can see, we also specify that this is the master branch that it will be pushing to. Now I will do a quick demonstration of Travis's continuous integration and Docker pushing process. So for example, let's go into our app let's look at the Python algorithm that we have in our repo at the moment. So if you make any change or commit a file or push a file, Travis will automatically run its unit testing and Travis YAML file specifications. So if I make a change to this file and commit it, Travis will automatically run a new build. As you can see here, Travis is now running a new build. Okay, now as you can see, the YAML file is beginning to run. The first step is now that it is building the Python 3 component according to the Docker file specifications. As you can see, the Travis build tells us a step-by-step of what's happening in the Docker file. So step 2 is just telling us that this is the maintainer, and now we are going through the steps to set up the Docker image. As you can see, it is downloading the dependency pillow, and now the Docker image is being built and run via the YAML file commands that were just shown. As you can see, it is logging in to Docker and preparing to deploy the Docker image to the Docker Hub. And now it has deployed the image. So let's go to our Docker Hub and refresh. And as you can see, a brand new image has recently been pushed to our Docker Hub. Thank you for watching our tutorial.